Hi everyone, it's Lena. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to take you through a flexibility flow, a really good practice that's going to help you to stretch your hamstrings, your hips as well, through your shoulders and your upper back. So pop into something comfortable and let's get started. Right, we're going to start off with butterfly pose. Just bringing your feet together like this. And just going to stretch up as you breathe in. Push your tailbone down. That's going to protect your core and prevent overarching. And we're just going to come down. And just going to breathe deeply. You might even want to come down a bit more. Or ease off if that helps. Another deep breath in. And then coming up slowly. And then we're just going to breathe in and looking up, arching your spine. And then as you breathe out, curving your spine downwards. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down. One more. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down. And then we're going to come into a seated figure 4. So bringing your foot onto your knee like this. And then taking your hands behind you. And then bringing this foot as close as possible. Bring as close as possible because it's going to stretch here. And then taking your hands behind you and just pushing forward, opening up your chest and your throat. Just take some deep breaths. Breathing deeply allows you to nourish and oxygenate your whole body. Again, deep breath in. Allow your breath to flow all the way to your belly. And breathe out. One more deep breath in. And breathe out. Let's do the other foot. Bringing the other foot on top of your knee. Take your hands behind you, bringing the foot that's on the floor towards you and just opening up your throat, your heart, your belly, and just breathing in deeply. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Now bringing that foot down, we're going to come onto the floor. Now we're going to come into something called pigeon or swan. So you've got two options here. Bringing one foot in front of you and the other foot behind you. Now you can stay here and just one hand, the opposite hand to knee, the other hand behind you, and you're just twisting a gentle pressure onto your knee and you're just twisting like this. Or you can come onto the floor completely with your foot, the back foot being straight, the front foot like this, and then just coming down like this. Or you can come all the way down, just taking a deep breath in again and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in Breathe out. One more deep breath in. And breathe out and just come up slowly. Lifting up. Let's change the other leg. So again, you can be in swan like this. Opposite hand to knee. The other hand behind you. Gentle pressure on the knee and just lifting up. Feeling a beautiful stretch here. And breathe, or coming down. Back foot, placing your toes on the mat. The other foot like this. Now you might be here. Or you can come all the way down. Just breathe here. Should be feeling a lovely stretch on your hip and your toes. Just a few more deep breaths here. And then come up slowly. And now we're going to come on to tabletop. So on knees and our hands. I'm just going to do some hip rotations. Just real slow movement. Going round. Breathing in as you come forward. You know, with each movement, just allow your breath to become deeper. It can really help to relax and even energize the body. So slow rotations around. One more rotation. Opening up the hips. And then let's go the other direction. Let's do one more. And then just coming back onto your hips. Stretching out. Just take a couple of deep breaths here. If you like, you can bring your hands in prayer if that works for you. One more deep breath in and deep breath out. Then just coming up slowly, place your hands on the mat, come up. And let's come on to our backs. Bring in one knee towards your chest. Might want to do some feet rotations one way and then the other way. Flexing your foot, pointing, flexing the foot, pointing. Let's take the other knee into the chest. Flexing and pointing. And then rotating one way and then the other way. And then bringing in both knees, giving yourself a hug, maybe rolling from side to side. You might want to do some rotations, one way and then the other way. And then just bringing your feet together and up into happy baby. You might want to stretch one leg and then the other leg. You might want to point both legs out and then bringing your feet down. Bringing your arms out. And then just doing some twists. One way. Taking your head in the opposite direction to your knees. And again, gently moving from side to side. And then taking your knees in one direction, head in one direction, and just doing some hip circles one way and then the other way. Bringing your head and knees to the center and going in the opposite direction. Again, taking your hips in one circle one way and then the other way. And then bringing your knees to the center, head to the center. One more hug into the chest. Maybe bringing your head to the knees. And then bringing your feet down and just straightening your legs. Just closing your eyes. Relaxing. Letting go of your day. Or if you're doing this in the morning, just relaxing into it. Waking up feeling relaxed and refreshed. Now you might want to stay here or come seated with me. If you're coming to seated, just roll over to one side and come to seated. Bringing your hands to your heart center. Thanking your body for this practice. Your body does a lot for you, so it's good to appreciate everything it does for you. I'd like to thank you for joining me today for this yoga class. Hope you found it relaxing. If you enjoyed it, do subscribe so I can continue making videos on YouTube. Share it with somebody who might appreciate it, who would enjoy it and benefit from it. I look forward to practicing with you again. Until next time, namaste.